In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix enable two-factor authentication Facebook problem. So if you've been logging in to a Facebook account via a different browser, or you're using different devices to log into your Facebook account, which your Facebook account doesn't recognize, then you'll always get this message. Now Facebook feels that your account is not secured enough. That's why they always give you this message for you to secure your Facebook account by enabling the two-factor authentication. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. But make sure you follow each and every step that I've taken in this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. With that being said, let's begin. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So go ahead and open your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on those three lines on top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Then select Account Center. Now tap on Profiles. And then select Add Accounts. Now select Add Facebook Account. Now you need to submit your username and password. Now after linking your Facebook account, and then tap on Finish adding your account. Now go back to your home page and then tap on your profile icon once more. Now tap on those three lines on top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy once again. Then tap on Account Center. Now here in the account settings, tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Then select Deactivate Account and then tap on Continue. Then submit your password. So you select the very first option, scroll down, then tap on Continue. Now here under Days, you tap on that down arrow, then select the last option, Don't deactivate automatically. Tap on that and then tap on Done and then tap on Continue and then tap on Deactivate my account. So guys, after doing that, now go back. Now go ahead and open any browser of your choice. Search for facebook.com. Now log into your Facebook account. So when you log in, the option of enable two-factor authentication will automatically disappear. So that's all it takes for you to fix enable two-factor authentication Facebook problem. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.